Good morning, students. This is Professor Nitin Karoulia from Department of MBA, Saga Institute of Research and Technology Excellence, Bhopal. The topic that we are taking today is from Subject Management Concept and Practices, and the topic is a formal kind of organization structure. So first of all, we need to understand what is formal and informal organization. The formal organization refers to the structure of jobs and positions with clearly defined functions and relationships as prescribed by the top management. This type of organization is built up by management to realize objectives of an enterprise and is bound by rules, systems, and procedures. The informal organization, which does not appear on the organization chart, supplements the formal organization in achieving organizational goals effectively and efficiently. We'll be discussing about the formal organization. It is a system of consciously coordinated activities, all forces of two or more persons. The essence of formal organization is conscious common purpose and comes into being when persons are able to communicate with each other, are willing to act and share a common purpose. The formal organization is built around four key pillars. They are division of labor, scalar and functional processes, structure, and span of control. Now we will be discussing the characteristics of or features of formal organization. Formal organization structure is laid down by the top management to achieve organizational goals. Formal organization prescribes the relationships amongst the people working in the organization. The organization structures is consciously designed to enable the people of the organization to work together for accomplishing the common objectives of the enterprise. Organization structure concentrates on the jobs to be performed and not the individuals who are to perform the job. For example, there is an organization in which there is a branch manager or a sales manager. Okay, so his position will be taken into account, not the person. In a formal organization, individuals are fitted into jobs and positions and work as per the managerial decisions. Thus, the formal relations in the organization arise from the pattern and of responsibilities that are created by the management. A formal organization is bound by rules, regulations, and procedures. In a formal organization, the position, authority, responsibility, and accountability of each level are clearly defined. Organizational structure is based on division of labor and specialization to achieve efficiency in operations. A formal organization is deliberately impersonal. The organization does not take into consideration the sentiments of organizational members. The authority and responsibility relationships created by the organization structure are to be honored by everyone. In a formal organization, coordination proceeds according to the prescribed format as designed by the management. Advantages of formal organization. The formal organization structure concentrates on the jobs to be performed. It therefore makes everybody responsible for a given task. A formal organization is bound by rules, regulations, and procedures. It thus ensures law and order in the organization. The organization structure enables the people of the organization to work together for accomplishing the common objectives of the enterprise. We will be taking the informal organization in the next lecture. Thank you, students.